I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with loving kindness.
Let you remind us of an ever-loving kindness as we think ahead and behind us. Let us not see blindness as we find us, restoring their health, the steady pace to good wealth. Being mindful of the commonwealth is a part of good health. Prosperity and protection can be everyone's direction when it's not the dollars that make sense, though the ways of Lord make sense, like gardening and putting up a fence to keep the big animals out that would trample the little goodness out before it gets too big to be trampled out underfoot and gives fruit by the foot. That I am not trying to roll up, though the truth to roll out before you to see. No doubt money greed may leave one without. It's not all fair, that route away is what I'm talking about today, okay?
The Lord appeared to us in the past or from afar
To say
I have loved you with an everlasting love.
I have drawn you with
Loving kindness.
I will build you up again and you will be rebuilt.
Seek the peace and prosperity of the city where you are.
For if it prospers,
You will prosper too.
lift each other up is what you ought to do. It's okay to pause for a moment or two, to let another go too. I will fulfill my promise to bring you back to this place. I love my beans and rice, salad and lettuce is nice. French fries I could eat twice a day. Ketchup, yeah, an apple a day keeps two away as I lead no one astray. Keep me as the apple of your eye, hide me under the shadow of your wing as I grow strong enough to bring more than justice on to life. As we play nice, learning and spreading my arms like wings, and more than just the shadows it brings. As you can feel the gust, as in God we trust and take off, though not like a plane, way beyond plain Jane, or a drive too late. Like only hour do you take your aim, like 1, 2, 3, a game. Treat each other fair, the more than fair is out to be there. Though it's not fame and not nothing, you mean more than just something.
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you.
Plans to give you a hope and a future. The prophet who prophesies peace will be recognized as one truly sent by the Lord only, if his predictions comes true. The palace will stand in its proper place. From them will come songs of thanksgiving and the sound of rejoicing. I will add to their numbers and they will not be decreased. I will bring them honor and they will not be disdained. Our children will be as in the days of old, and their communities will be established before me and be in favor in times of peace. May the Lord find rest and peace. May you find rest and peace. Commentary from Miles McWalker. Some word from the prophet Jeremiah, and they've been taken terribly out of original context, like a miner digging for gems in rough places, and a jeweler bonded or fastened it together with some other words of inspiration to bridge this into a pleasant, peaceful song.
I have got you with an everlasting